little bit. Because the bugs in Florida are no joke. We're in a new area because our friends Ryan and Kaylin killed 2 turkeys together at the same time. They had 2 gobblers come into one decoy and they killed them both just like that. So Kaylin had a quota permit for this special unit, and she is going to bring me along as her guest hunter and allow me to hunt her tag. It is absolutely beautiful. This area is around 22,000 acres. It is a quota unit, so there are only, I believe, 35 hunters allowed to hunt this unit, and it's magical. So we're out here tonight. We're going to scout it. I'm not going to wear my vest, but I'm going to grab my calls out of here, see if we can find some turkey, and then we'll hunt here this weekend with Kaylin. So cool. So let's get to it. So you could see whenever we were driving in, there are prescribed burns in this area, and there's one going on right now. Burns are prescribed here in Florida very frequently, and there's a lot of different reasons why they could be prescribing them. Some's for wildlife management, for managing the amount of vegetation or fuel there is for a wildfire to protect people's homes and things like that. And wildlife love old burn. Like, some of the best hunting spots are burn areas that are a couple years old. So this is where we're starting our search for turkey. So we're not going to go that direction. They definitely saw us and kind of scurried away, but they probably won't go far tomorrow, so we're going to leave them alone. There are turkey tracks everywhere. This is good. Well, hello again. I've hunted the past 2 days, but have not filmed much because I've been hunting with my friend Kaylin, and it's just been her and I. So I've just kind of laid back on the filming and have enjoyed hunting with her. We've had an awesome 2 days, and currently it's 5 a.m. and I'm headed out for our 3rd morning together. So excited. But quickly, before I head out, let me give you a quick recap of what happened the past 2 days. Well, I've been a very poor YouTuber. So, the first day that we went out, we heard gobbles first thing in the morning. It was crazy, and they were close. So we were trying to call them in. 2 hens came in. They didn't really acknowledge our decoy too much. They just kind of bopped around and were clucking in front of us, and the gobbles were so close, and then we heard a shot. And that was pretty much that. We did hunt the rest of the day, but that was like the highlight of the day. It all happened in the morning. The second day we go out, very similar story. We hear gobbles like first thing in the morning. They're hot right off the bat. We're calling them in. They're getting closer and closer. And then out comes 3 hens. And one of the hens did not like our decoy. And as they were kind of moving around us, I was clucking because I felt like there was a tom and I wanted him to, come on in. And one of the hens was like, oh, nope, what's going on? goes up to our hen decoy and starts beating it up. She was fighting it for a solid 10 minutes. It was great. It was so great. And I somehow managed to pull my phone out and film it. So after that happened, they walked off and we never saw the tom. Never happened. And we saw a couple deer, which was cool, and they were big deer. They're big-bodied deer. They don't look that big in the video, but they looked like a Pennsylvania buck size to me. Although, we're in South Florida. So that was days 1 and 2 of Kaylin and I hunting, and this morning is our 3rd day together. I think it's my 7th day out hunting turkeys. So I'm going to quit talking because I'm going to be late. So let's go! Well, we heard a gobble off in the distance and another hunter, but we were trying to be a little aggressive with our calling to coax him over here, and within 10 minutes we just heard 3 shots. So he passed that hunter, went to that hunter first, and that's the only gobble we heard. That was our bird. So we're gonna need to make a game plan now. Have to do the selfie jump. That's so awesome.
You can tell how old it is.
That is
So cool.
my first one.
Where'd you find it? Just
Right there in the open.
So cool. Yeah. A hog.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Yeah, look at those teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
So we ran into water. We're in this beautiful cypress. Is it Cypress Dome? Yeah. Cypress Dome. Cypress Head. And we just hit a ton of water, and it looks like on the map like there's a ton of water even further than this. So we have to turn around. So we got where we wanted to go, away from all of the people, away from the shots that we heard this morning, and we find this great spot on the map, but grass is way too high. It's hard to tell on the map. You can just see that it's like open space, which is what you want, but then we got here and the grass is just way too high. That's not good habitat for turkey. But behind us you can see there's some burn, and that's what we want. That's what we were in the past 3 mornings when we've gotten into birds, but that's also where all the people are. So we thought that we were being clever coming to this farther spot, but really we just walked for like an hour for no reason. So we're going to turn back around again and find a good place to set up for the rest of the morning. That is the work of a hog, or 2 or 3 or 5. I was hoping that they'd be up here in the road. So we made it to the new spot, and it is instantly so much better. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's all burned, so there's new grass growth everywhere, and there are a lot more small, like young pines around, and it's just instantly so much better for turkey. So we're getting set up right now. Like back there, I didn't feel like we had the slightest chance of seeing anything, and now here, I feel like we actually have a chance. Yeah, we do. Everyone's running around over there, so I hope it's nice. Okay. It's on to the next spot. We saw nothing. We heard nothing. So we're gonna head to a place where we saw some yesterday. See what happens. I can't believe they're here again. Oh yeah, there they are. They're far, but I think that they'll hear us. Hi folks, editing Allie here. I realized that I didn't close out the video with the giveaway information. This is part of our 25K giveaway series, so I'm here to give you guys the details on this video's giveaway. Before that, you may be wondering what was happening in that last scene that you saw. Basically, we saw some birds in the road and we tried to set up. It was while we were on our way out, so there wasn't a lot of time left because you're not allowed to hunt there all day. So it didn't work out. We ended the day with no birds and didn't get to fill that tag. But it is now time for the giveaway. So I've teamed up with Stealth Cam and Walkers for this giveaway. So the first item, which will pop up somewhere over here, is a pair of electronic earmuffs, ear protection for when you're shooting, whether you are a recreational shooter or if you are a hunter sighting in your rifle, etc. They are awesome. If you've never used a pair of electronic muffs, you are going to love them. And then the second item, which will now appear right here, is a trail camera by Stealth Cam. I've been using these for years now and I absolutely love them. Video mode is the way to go. You capture the funniest stuff and they're awesome. So on to the rules. So you must like this video, comment down below. You can shout out where you're from, ask a question, anything. Just leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And then you will automatically be entered. The entry window will be from right now when this video is posted until 1 week. And the exact dates will be in the description so you can check there as well. And then I will choose a winner at random and announce on this video, like commenting back to them. I'll leave a comment and put it in the description. You know what I mean? And that'll be it. And that person will win those two amazing items. So I'm really excited to give back to you all. And thank you for following along on my adventures. And I love both of these products, so I know you guys will too, and good luck. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm actually headed back to Pennsylvania, so the next couple of videos you will see, I will be in PA. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.